Right, that's me boot.
That's the bracket for your spare wheel tip.
How are you?
Well, I've got terrible supplies now. I mean, I have a car on it and a full of car as well. I won't be able to do it really long. Yeah, it's never been a big thing. I mean, I did have to turbo for this.
Yeah, so you don't talk about wheels around. So doors aren't making money like. But it's not. It's still new.
Ooh. Interesting find. Centre console, was it?
Yeah.
Is that the exhaust, original Ford exhaust trim there?
What's left of it? Yeah. Yeah.
That was an optional thing you could have, wasn't it?
Yeah.
How did they attach? Just slid up?
They just went on, just clamped on. You know, you just pushed them on and they stayed on, heated up and stayed on.
This back door open, mate. Your T's on there, yeah.
Oh, nice one, cheers.
There's the. That's the only reason I got it.
Didn't you keep the other one? Didn't you have the other one?
From that side, and it was never on it.
No.
But I've got one. Got spares.
It's got some spray.
Loads of WD.
Good. That's fucking handle's knackered, isn't it? It's like
Stripping inside, yeah.
Watch out for the squirrels. Right, door ain't going.
It says, doesn't it?
Needs a new vinyl there, mate.
Slightly. I wouldn't worry about the fucking vinyl yet.
As long as the tyres... Did the tyres inflate?
I want to see what dead body's in here.
Everyone wants to know what's in this boot, don't they? Here we...
Little key there, isn't there?
Oh, that's the missing key.
Need some spray, don't we?
Is that the petrol cap key, mate? That's the
I think
ignition.
we need to just give it a soak.
Yeah.
Paul's he wanted to get in it, didn't he? Thanks to mice and squirrel activity, I've lost my seat.
Won't go too near that tyre though. Below that.
Got the mud flaps are still on it.
Yeah.
I'm happy there.
Got some genuine Ford mud flaps at home.
Oh mate, you got all the stuff.
Got everything, mate. I did have.
Yeah. No, it's missing now. It's all wood.
Well, we should be able to get the lock by just going underneath the car, putting your hand in that hole. I'll just.
Same as that. So I don't know who the hell it is. So, they're a nice car. Yeah, it's really rare now. There's not many left. So at the end of it, yeah. Right take sense of people to get boxes. They were getting by slightly more everyone wanted the Mark 1s or the Mark 3s, you know, but they're becoming quite sought after now. You know, so. I saw the first one over each other. It was bronze metallic, it was just the second floor. I had one of the first ones, I had a white 3-litre manual, it was a rare boxing manual box, 3-litre gear, with an N-Reg, A74, when the first one was out. Yeah. And with a tobacco light, light brown vinyl roof and all that tobacco. That should be my white man had a breath. Fake. When the open separate, so separate for that. Yeah. Because it can be a good pay as well. There's a man who lives in it. What's it for? Okay, I'll see you again.
I thought that was a petrol cap key.
I just got the little key in and jiggled it and got it opened, the little key.
Right, this is the first sign the boot's been opened. Let's see what's inside. Absolutely nothing. The mats seem to have seen better days. There's the spare wheel holding bolt. One jack in black. I was told they were in blue, so that's that theory trashed. Unless he's replaced it, of course. The essential items. Aluminium bar.
Spare fan belt. Original full span fan belt.
Lovely.
Spare lead set.
You never know when you might need those. Exhaust mounting, spark plugs.
Ooh.
Top and bottom hoses. Motorcraft original parts.
They look alright then as well, brand new. They've survived alright. Grand spankers.
All the years in there. Would it be a Ross style spare, or will it be a...
Yes, it is. Yeah, and look.
Was that normal to have the Ross style?
Yeah, you should have done, yeah.
Smashing. It looks like it might have had a repair there. Yes, it's had the fillet. That came... Oh dear.
That needs
Okay.
another one.
Oh dear. A spare accelerator. Oh, clutch cable. Crook lock. Essential item. I wonder if that's what that other key was. There was another key and he didn't know what it was for. I bet it was for that.
What did he do with it as he kept it?
Gave it to me and I seem to have mislaid it somewhere.
That's what that's for then. Bit of WD in that'll clean up that. Macca would buy that off you, because he loves these old crook locks.
Yeah, he's got one on his brown
Boy bush.
cut. Oh, new old stock. What we got? Someone on the forum's going to be able to identify this.
I think they do rear brake adjusted things. I think that's the handbrake.
Where's the finish number?
I think they're for the handbrake.
Item 0103.
Yeah, for the handbrake, those I think.
Brake adjust, kit, brake adjust.
Yeah. There's another one there as well, it's fallen out. They were new then, weren't they, originally? I'm not sure what that is. Still got its original.
One piece 71 BB 2K851 delay.
Get that number on there and see if you can ID it.
I can't tell. Door catch maybe?
Oh, original these. It's great when you find these, you know, when there's so much thing from the 80s. There's another thing here as well.
One piece 71 BB again. 1470479. It looks like a bulkhead cable seal to me.
Yeah, it's the grommet, you know, where the thing goes through. That's the remains of the box for the ignition leads.
Yeah, suppression ignition leads.
Another original speed blade.
Yeah, speed blade. And I haven't got these on my GXL. Speed blade was the one, wasn't it? Oh. Yeah, jack eyelets. I've got one off eBay and the guy's never sent it. I'm in dispute with it, or not dispute, but I've asked him where is my item.
Chunky tyre, that, isn't it? It's like a winter tyre.
Yeah, that is chunky tread.
Yeah, it's a snow tyre, look at that.
Wow.
You don't see them very often.
Oh.
We can tell you what we ought to do. We ought to put that on here and get rid of that bloody knackered one, you know.
Yeah.
Just to stop it.
Get me jack.
So the axle goes to the floor.
Is it inflated?
It's
Heater hose, yeah. So there's the boot. So I've got to identify this for Craig. That's a different type of system, isn't it?
He's obviously used that to spare wheel clamp. That's not original, that,
isn't it?
I don't think so. Or is it? It might be actually for the Ross style. Yeah, it is. It is. It's the original clamp. That's rare. That. There's your original longer wheel brace.
I wonder why they had longer ones. Now you were talking about, look at that speaker there. You were talking about a steel bulkhead, wasn't you?
Yeah. Well, we can get, you know, so you can't find it until you see the reg document. You won't know the date of registration if it's not on DVLA. You won't be able to find it.
I tell you what,
but it's got to be. I reckon.
Well, this will come out. Obviously, that inner piece is gone as well.
The whole back end wants chopping off.
It does, yeah. I can easily take that. Do you think I should go for at the A pillars? Take it out on that line there and drop these. I did that on the other one, or
get the vinyl
repair that.
That's repairable.
Yeah,
isn't it?
I'll repair that then.
Yeah.
That's the only reason I bought it, was for this. For no other reason. Tibbs, I've got you your badge. It's here, mate. Heated rears on it. How about the boot lid? What we got? Tell you what, it's not as bad as the one I had on mine, but it's gone. See, this is what you look at that condensation on it. That's not been helping it, has it? I don't know. I could save that boot.
Just put it in there. I did a dark piece. You know,
mine's scratched.
Could have given it you. You know, I left it in the boot of the yellow one. I swapped the yellow one for a GT one.
This is an inspection of the floor pans, and we're not too bad, mate. I'm trying not to damage the original mats in case I use them, but
they're only aftermarket ones, aren't they?
See, what's a shiny blue metal under here?
See what he's like under here.
Obviously that edge gone, like the, as you said, like
see daylight on the passenger side, which is usual. So is the passenger one. That's just your usual stuff, isn't it? You get that on everyone.
Well, I was thinking it'd just be holes just straight into there, where your hand just goes straight through.
Yeah, because I say that Sherwood, you know, when I got that, I took the seat out and half the floor came out with the seat.
Yeah.
And literally the floor pan, I had to cut planks of wood across the floor.
Planks of wood.
Yeah.
Bit of a nut's nest.
Let's see if I go and bloody nuts. There's a big load of nut trees around there, like.
A nut tree.
Yeah.
A monster. I'm liking me motor trees.
Take that door card off in a minute, get the door open from the inside. Yeah.